Astute. Very smart and quick to understand things. He is an astute businessman. Motivated. Strong desire to achieve goals and succeed. He is motivated to achieve his goals. Disciplined. Follows rules and controls behavior well. She is disciplined and follows rules. Optimistic. Expects good things to happen. He is optimistic about the future. Decisive. Able to make decisions quickly and clearly. The manager is decisive and acts quickly. Empathetic. Understands and shares others' feelings. She is empathetic and understands others' feelings. Adaptable. Can adjust easily to new situations. He is adaptable to new situations. Reliable. Someone you can trust and depend on. She is a reliable friend. Confident. Believes in one's own abilities. He feels confident before the exam. Resilient. Able to recover quickly from difficulties. She is resilient and recovers quickly from problems. Visionary. Thinks about the future and has big, creative ideas. The leader is visionary and thinks about the future. Articulate. Able to speak clearly and express ideas well. She is articulate and speaks clearly. Perseverant. Continues trying despite problems or failures. He stayed perseverant despite many failures. Judicious. Makes wise and sensible choices. She made a judicious decision. Conscientious. Does work carefully and responsibly. He is conscientious about his work. Diplomatic. Handles people and situations politely and wisely. The teacher was diplomatic while solving the problem. Tenacious. Keeps trying even when things are hard. She is tenacious and never gives up.